Oh, Tunde Ednut has lost his page again. Hey! The guy came back braggadocious. No apologies given. Baba, you know they create content, but you get attitude like Speak Darlington where they create content. You know, see him. What thing you won't do? What thing you won't post? Text after text after text after text. Okay, now, people where they do attitude. Now people where know say I'm the shit and I know I'm the shit. I don't need to be told. I'm the shit. I eat them. Me. As you see me like this, I'm willing to blow $1,000. Take myself, go Caribbean island for 4-5 days. Gather plenty of video, come back to New York and show it to you. That's how much of a content creator I am. Tunde is now willing to travel, go outside USA to go shoot a video. Just to go shoot a video. Nala. So my point is, if you know be master content creator, you shouldn't be having so much attitude. How you go, they bounce back, they bounce back, they bounce back. Get you a post. You feel me? You gotta be careful with your words, man. Or you can give me $1,000 and I'll come to Buckhead and give you all the details on how to stay on social media. I will teach you everything. For only 1,000 too small, you should brag. 3,000, I will come. I don't go slap you, I promise. I promise. Why I go slap person when they give me 3,000? When I know they do cocaine. Even if I do cocaine. Cocaine is very expensive. It costs more than weed. Problem plenty. I don't know which one to tackle first. Nigeria no get airline. Nigeria no get 24-hour electric. But I think airline issue is easier than electric. I can get that done within the first 90 days. I can give you an airline. Airline is easier headache than electric. To give everybody electric requires nuclear plant. That's a whole lot of tech, a whole lot of math. I can give you Nigerian Airways in 3 months. PAP 2023, there's only one option, me.